So today I'll be showing you how to make this very luscious, delicious chocolate cake. It's super easy. In no time, you were done with this. Welcome to the Stumsha side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metoka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So into my bowl, I just poured in some save or purpose flour and then I add in some corn starch as well. To check the description box for the ingredient list and measurements. Add in your cocoa powder, add in your baking soda, your baking powder and salt. Mix everything together until it is well combined and set this aside. So into my bowl, I already have in some cracked eggs. So add in your sugar, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla flavor, and vinegar. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metoka. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. Do not forget to give this video a like and comment below. I will really love to hear from you, so do comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. So you can also check my other previous recipe. I have different types of chocolate cake recipes, so I'll be dropping the link in the description box below for you to check a different type of chocolate recipe. They are super moist, super delicious, decadent, and you will enjoy every bit of it. So this is one of my simplest chocolate cake and it's still so amazing and so moist, and you're going to love it, I promise you. So mix all the ingredients together until the sugar is well dissolved and everything is well combined. So the next thing you want to do is just to add in your dry ingredients in bits and mix together until everything has been well mixed.
My world, I feel a new life. Step by step, I've come to know she's more than a woman. I don't depend my life on.
So if you're someone who doesn't really know much about cake baking, I've put a collection of videos that are beginner friendly. They'll give you tips, they give you more insight about baking cake. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box below, so do well to check on those links to give you tips, to give you more insight about cake making. So after combining all the ingredients together, the next thing you want to do is to pour your batter into a prepared baking pan. So what I just added to my pan is flour nail. The reason why I'm using this is to make your cake bake evenly. So place that in the middle of your pan. Making use of flour nails is very helpful when you're making dense cake or making cakes that are deep. It is a very good hack for you to use.
I can face the day I'm so in love. She comes around, change my world. I feel a new life. Step by step, I've come to know she's more than a woman. Baby, I was blind and I couldn't see. Angel, you were special to me.
So tap the cake gently to remove excess air bubbles and bake this cake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the final result of the cake. So I actually decorated this cake on my live field. So someone was asking me the recipe that I used to make this cake. So this is the recipe that I use in making the cake. So if you've not seen my live video on how I decorated this, so do well to go and check on that video. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box below, so do well to click on that link. It's an ASMR video, or you're going to love it. Like, it's super satisfying. You know, you see how I decorated this cake live, and this was a final result, so you want to check it out. So if you love ASMR video, you love all those, you know, cake decorating video, I'm usually a fan of it. So I'll be trying to do that in my live video. So do well to turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop a new video. So they will alert you when I'm live or when I've dropped new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.
Feel a new life.